Good morning students. Welcome to biology class, and today's session we are going to be continue the topic of tissues. In the last class we already discussed about the permanent tissue and we did the activity also, and with the help of the stem of table rows we did the activity, and we cross section of a stem and the transfer section of a stem we did, and I draw the diagrams roughly in the last class. And in this class, we are going to be draw the sections of a stem in a cross section and transverse section, and what are the parts are they, and let's discuss a brief explanation about that parts, and let's enter into our topic. Yes, when we observed under the microscope after that activity, I observed, but we will be in a school, we will also observe, and you people also will be observed by seeing the slide. And what I observed and which structure I observed under the microscope, now I am going to be draw it on the board. Just see carefully and try to learn the drawing the diagrams also. Yes, these diagrams are very important, and they will ask you the draw the diagram or else, and they will ask the which part is going to be helpful in the purpose of so on so, like that they will ask a small questions, and tough questions also may be come under these based on the diagrams. So please try to learn the diagrams properly and observe it. When we are drawing the diagram, you should observe neatly and draw it by yourself. Okay, first I am going to be draw the cross section of a stem, what I observed under the microscope. Now I am going to be draw. Look at very carefully. I draw 3 layers of circles. What are the circles? Each circle what will be there, I will explain you afterwards. First what I observe, that I am going to be draw it here. Yes, and now yes, and for your observance I am going to be use the red marker and dark marker. Yes, and now for your difference I am going to be use one more marker, it is black marker. Yes, now we will see the parts. Yes, the first layer of circle I found it, that is nothing but the epidermis. What is that part? Epidermis. And next layer I observed, that is the structure part nothing but collenchyma. What it is that? Collenchyma. And the third part I observed, that is parenchyma. We already discussed about that the Meristematic tissue, when it will be continuously growing, it will become very strong. That is nothing but permanent tissue. That permanent tissue is always having a differentiated cells. These parenchyma, collenchyma, epidermis are nothing but the differentiated cells only. And next, the part which we didn't shade, that is nothing but phloem. What it is that? Phloem. And next, the reddish part is known as xylem. What is that? Xylem. And next, these and all we may call it as a vascular tissues. Vascular tissues. And the middle part we may call it as a pith. Okay, na? Pith. When you cut the stem, you may observe some strong and whitish layer. Then it is nothing but pith. Okay. This was the structure. This is the cross section. Cross section of stem. I observe how we will cut the carrot half, no? Circles. Like that, I observe the section. When you cut into transverse means like a sticks, small slices. How you may be observed? Now I am going to be draw the diagram. Just see carefully, children. I told you, right? Transverse means straightly. Okay? And next, for your reference, I am going to be, I am changing the colors. Those who are having textbooks, they can see the textbook and they can consider, they can find the differences. Okay? This was the transection I observed under the microscope, and this is the cross section what I observed under the microscope. Here we discussed that the collenchyma, parenchyma, sclerenchyma and phloem and xylem. No? Now here also we will see what are that. Okay. The first layer, this is nothing but cuticle. What is that? Cuticle. And the second layer is nothing but epidermis. What is there in the cross section, right? Epidermis. And the next layer is nothing but collenchyma. What? Collenchyma. The next layer, parenchyma. Parenchyma. And after these, and the phloem. The phloem. And next, the red color structure what I draw to know, that is the xylem. That is the xylem. These are the parts differentiation when you observe the cross section of a plant and cross section of a stem and transverse section of a stem. Let's discuss a brief discussion about these parts in this session only, children. Yes. Epidermis. The epidermis are the first layer of the plant, and these are going to be helpful for the opening and closing of stomata to enter the sunlight and to absorb the water, and some more deep discussion we will be discussing in the next classes about the epidermis. And next, first we will discuss the parenchyma. Parenchyma is going to be loose structure and it is having helpful for the intracellular spaces, and these parenchyma is the first simple permanent tissue in a plant. And next, collenchyma is going to be helpful for the flexibility of the plant to bend here and there. The collenchyma cells will be elongate, elasticity is having. And next, phloem and xylem are nothing but the vascular tissues. Phloem is going to be helpful for the plant to pass the water, and the xylem is going to be helpful for the plants to pass the food material and nutrients from root to tip. About the phloem and xylem, these vascular tissues are closely combined. How it will be? It will be look like a circular in a position. When you cut the plant into a cross section, you may see some circles in the plant, no? When you cut the trunk of the plant, did you see circles, no? That the circles will be like this only. Okay, now based on these circles we can say the year of the plant also. And next, when you come to transverse section of a leaf, the stem above the epidermis, some hair-like structures will be present. That hair-like structures are going to be helpful to produce a waxy layer. That waxy layer is going to be avoid not to absorb the water, not to enter the water to outside. Why? Because in this one day you pour the water, second day you don't pour, but the plant will be under the sunlight only. The water will be absorbed by the plant again. To avoid that, the cuticle waxy coat is going to be helpful for the plant not to absorb the water by the sun. That will be helpful. The cuticle will be helpful like that. And next, this parenchyma is going to be 2 to 3 layers of intracellular spaces cells will be present in a plant. Yes, children, this is about the section of a plant. When we did that activity under the microscope, and I observed the cross section of a plant stem and transverse section of a stem. This was the structures where you can take any different type of plants. These sections only you will be observed. And when you will go take the water plant, there will be a less parts. Why? Because that the water plant is having less parts, and all the contents, all the parts will be filled with water logs only. Why? Because that's why the water plants are not having that much strength than the soil plants. That was the difference we will be seeing in the water plants and normal plants. Yes, children, today's session is going to be completed, and tomorrow's session we are going to be see about the we discussed the permanent tissue is having a two types of cells, that is a simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. And tomorrow's session we will see about the simple permanent tissue, and today's session is going to be completed, and you people will be healthy and be hygienic and be safe. Thank you children.